students, welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So we are discussing a number of poets. Today let us talk about another very contemporary poet and his name is Jeet Thayil. So Jeet Thayil is not only a poet but I would say he is a man who tried his hands in number of genres and all being important. He is known for his number of poetry collections and his novels also. So let us study about this person Jeet Thayil. Jeet Thayil was born in 1959. In 1959 में born होते हैं. He is an Indian poet, novelist, librist as well as a musician. He is an author to several amounts of poetry collections. The most important one is These Errors Are Correct. These Errors Are Correct एक बहुत important इनकी poetry collection है जो कब आती है 2008 में आती है. Now why is it so important? Because इसी collection के लिए इनको साहित्य अकेडमी अवार्ड भी मिलता है. Then there is this first novel that made him very famous worldwide. That is Narcopolis. Narcopolis came out in 2012 and it won the DSC prize for South Asian literature. Not only this work was also shortlisted. This work was shortlisted for 2012 Man Booker Prize and Hindu Literary Prize. So it was shortlisted for 2012 Man Booker Prize and Hindu Literary Prize. Narcopolis. Narcopolis के बारे में some interesting facts. So in 2012 this work came out. The first novel Narcopolis was written in 2012. It is set mostly in Bombay. Bombay के बारे में बात करते हैं. In the 1970s and the 1980s, it sets out to tell you a story that is very interesting about the history of Bombay. ये क्या बात कर रहे हैं? They are talking about the opium that was there and how this cheap opium was passed from one person to another. Basically drugs, heroin और इन सब marijuana, इन सब चीजों के बारे में ये work बात करता है. Thayil actually has said that he wrote this novel to create a kind of a memorial inscription or you can say a certain effect on the people. So वो एक impact create करने के लिए, effect create करने के लिए उन्होंने ये work लिखा है. I wanted to honor the people I knew in the opium dens. So he just wanted to honor the people who are working under this area, under this lowest and the lowest level of the work that they are doing. इसके लिए उन्होंने expert तरीके से एक work लिखा है Narcopolis and he is of course bringing their life on the pages of the book. So that is Narcopolis जो कहाँ set है? Bombay में set है. His other novels include The Book of Chocolate Saints. This work came out in 2017. Low 2020 का work है and Names of the Women 2021. So these are some of the more recent works that are written by him. We have The Book of Chocolate Saints 2017, Low 2020 and Name of the Woman 2021. Thayil spent 5 years writing an 800-page draft for Narcopolis and then split the draft into 300 pages. Narcopolis and the later novel is called as The Book of Chocolate Saint and another part is called as Low. तो उन्होंने काफी मैग्नम ओपस वर्क किया पहले अपना 800 पेजेस का ड्राफ्ट तैयार किया जिसको उन्होंने सोचा था कि वो नार्कोपोलिस बोलेंगे बट देन ही स्प्लिट द ड्राफ्ट इनटू 2 पार्ट्स. We have 300 pages work that is called as Narcopolis while other works were also included from this draft only. We have the Book of Chocolate, the Book of Chocolate Sales, पूरा नाम है इसका and Low. तो ये भी किस ड्राफ्ट में से आए हैं? नार्कोपोलिस के ड्राफ्ट में से आए हैं. So they have the same genre, they have the same theme around which they are talking. His poetry collections include, now some of the important poetry collections include Gemini in 1992, then we have Apocalypso in 1997, English in 2004, These Errors Are Correct. ये बहुत important है, इसे साहित्य अकेडमी अवार्ड मिलता है. These Errors Are Correct in 2008 and collected poems that came out in 2015. Thayil is an editor for a very important book also called as the Blood X Book of Contemporary Indian Poets. This came out in 2008. There's another collection that he's an editor for that is 60 Indian poets. Penguin India helped him to publish it in 2008 and a collection of essays called as Divided Time, India and the End of Diaspora. Routledge का यूज करके इन्होंने ये पब्लिश किया है in 2006. So what all are the things that you have to remember? First you have to remember poetry collection Gemini. Then you have the Apocalypso, English and These Errors Are Correct. Last में you have collected poems. Then he was an editor for anthologies like the Blood X Book of Contemporary Indian Poets, 60 Indian Poets, and an essay collection, Divided Time. His poetry is included in the Anthology of Contemporary Indian Poets that came out in 2015. So what all are the poetry collections? You have to remember collected poems. These errors are correct. Apocalypso and Gemini. What are the important fiction works that he has done? We have Narcopolis, very important novel. Magnum opus, बहुत important work है उनका. The Book of the Chocolate Saints, then Low. These are the important works. Then we have other works like Names of the Women, the Blood Axe Book of Contemporary Indian Poets, 60 Indian Poets, Divided Time, India and the End of Diaspora, Give the Sea Change and It Shall Change. It talks about 56 Indian poets, and then we have 7 stories. It was also a volume that he published about the number of short stories. So these are the works by our very own Jeet Thayil. Jeet Thayil was not only a novel writer, not only a poet, but he is also someone who is a musician. He used to write poetries that can be performed. बहुत theatrical touch होता है उनके हर work के अंदर. And his important works are, these errors are correct because this work got the Sahitya Academy Award. And this work, Narcopolis, is extremely important, जो 2012 में आ रहा है. Why? Because it won the South Asian Literature Prize and it was nominated in 2012 for the Man Booker Prize and the Hindu Literary Prize as well. These are few facts that you have to remember about Jeet Thayil. He has been asked repetitively in the match the following questions. I want you to read a little bit more about Narcopolis. Just read the summary. It's an important work and a quick and a good read also. Thank you so much. I hope you understood everything. If you still have any doubts, ask me that in the comment section and I'll surely reply to you. Thank you.